Hello and welcome to Eastbury Primary School Sign Language online class. Okay, today we're going to be doing classroom rules and routines. Okay, so if we do class, that's C, make C with your hands and go around in a circle, classroom. And then rules, you put your one hand and it's your arm, you go down, that's the rules. Room, you draw with your fingers, draw a square. Room, so we go class, room, rules, and routines. It's with your thumbs going forwards like steps in front of you. Okay, so classroom, rules, and routines. And some of this you can use at home as well. Okay, if you're a parent, you can use these with your children as well. Some, not all. Okay, first thing is good, which we did before. Good, very good. Good sitting. So you put your one hand on top of each other like that, and you just move down, like sit down, sit, stand up. Now you can do that sort of up, or if you want them to stand, you can also do this, stand, and you get your two fingers, you put it on there, so that's like a person, stand. And you can see there's some others like kneel, yeah, kneel, one leg, like hop, jump, fall down, you know. So there's, it's called a classifier. Your hand is like a classifier, and there are lots and lots of different signs that you can do with different hand shapes, So that one is, there's lots, like we use voice, stand, fall, walk, we do walk. We don't do run, we use that for run because it's quite different and it's a bit clear. Walking, so if you want good walking, okay, good standing or stand up, sit down, you know, or kneel, those sorts of things that you can do. So, and voice, good at speaking. If you put your hands like this and you just go from your mouth, speak, or talking. Sometimes we put our two fingers together and we go talk, speak. That's like the words, the speech. And that's your voice, which is near your voice box. It comes out. So good voice, good listening. You can do listen. If they're deaf, sometimes we do listen through their eyes because they have to take everything in through their eyes, not through their ears. They say listen, but if they're hearing, listen. So it's listen if they're signing, so you can take in sign language. You're listening to sign language through your eyes. Listen. And listen through your ears. So good listening, good speaking, good sitting, and then good, now this is weight. If you get your hands like this, and you sort of just like that, or like that, and you just put them round in a circle like weight, and go around waiting. And sometimes you can just say, you can stand there, and your facial expression says it. When you're getting impatient. Now this sign here, we use it for lots of different things. Calm, behaviour, patient. Okay, so if it's good behaviour, then your face should say it. Good behaviour. If it's bad, and your face sort of says it. Okay, And if you're being patient, waiting, and sometimes I just stand there and go, when they see me doing that, then they know I'm waiting, and my face will say if I'm happy or if I'm like. And then your face is like sort of just glass, so it will say how you're feeling. Okay, so much information comes through your facial expression with sign language. Your hands are just part, they're number one, but it's your face that sort of links with that. Okay, next, so we've got behaviour, and we want good behaviour, not bad behaviour. The other thing is time. So it's like all time, because we've got to watch. Time out. And you just go out. Sit down. Time out. And you just sort of be quite clear. No. And you might say, I don't accept. And I see how my hand comes in, and I accept that. I don't accept that. Throw that away. I don't accept that. Okay, yes, I do accept that. I don't accept that behaviour. You know, you've broken, and if you think you've got something broken, like you've broken the rules of the class, okay, you're not sitting, you're not listening, you're not speaking good or nice, like a nice, when your thumb goes across your chin, nicely. And sometimes, I mean, this is not real, it's like polite. Put your two middle fingers together, put it like, and that's being polite, that's being good, that's good sitting. I'm polite. And you should, you know, and that's being polite. Saying thank you, waiting, good polite behaviour, those sorts of things. So that's sort of behaviour, the behaviour rules. Now, looking at routines, some things like wash your hands, you know, like you would pretend to wash your hands. Toilet is like, it's sort of like your middle finger just going up over your sort of on the side here. That's toilet, you can do that. Or sometimes you do a T for toilet. So toilet. You might do PE, sort of like gym, PE, and get your clothes and change. You see my hands go across. Change your clothes. Okay, it's PE time. Some of the other topics, circle, obviously make a circle. It's circle time. Okay. You might have dinner, 2 fingers, dinner, it's dinner time. It's assembly. Now you get, if you imagine all the people looking, assembly, when you go around in a circle, and these are all their eyes, assembly time. Okay, line up. Now think of all these as people, again, and you put them in a line. So you go, line up. It's assembly time. Or line up, it's dinner time. Line up, it's home time. Okay, or it's break. Now this is break. You put your hands and your thumbs and you just put it on your, like here, break. And it also means the same for rest. And it also means for, if you do it twice, that means ready. If you just put it down, it's break or rest time. It's break time. Some people also do break, like it's like, but that's sort of like broken. But you can do it like that, break, like you got something here and broken it. Break time or break time. You can do both. Okay. So I mean, there are lots of. We do play. We did that last time. Play time. Some of the things you might do. Reading. Now these are your eyes, like looking, and this is your book, and you do reading. So it's reading time. It's writing time. It's spelling. Remember ABC? We just do it like that and then spell. Spelling. Spelling time. It's maths. And that's like, this is the same sign for maths and number. It's the same sign. It's your lip patterns, they're different. Maths. Number. Also the same for date. Date. Maths. Number. It's all the same sign, just different lip patterns. Okay? So I think, or science. Science. So it's like two things you do. Science. Geography, that's the world, like the whole world. History, go backwards, in past. And if you're doing like topic, that's it, topic, or theme, it's the same sign again, and that's the sign again, is topic or theme, your theme, and you can have lots of different themes. And of course I said circle, it's a circle, circle time as well. So I sort of think that might be enough. I've just gone over 11 minutes, so you can practice all your rules and routines for the classroom, okay, or home. Okay, thank you, and I'll be doing some more tutorials on different topics over the next few weeks. Okay, thank you. I can't get it to stop.